At first glance, this is a usual sight on a farm. People fetching water, farmers working, and an occasional motorbike passing through. In this setup, one could easily miss a small pointy-eared cat camouflaged in the crops. But for the people on this farm, on the outskirts of Delhi NCR, sighting the jungle cat has become common. In the fields it hunts, patrols, and marks its territory, just like all other cats. The jungle cat is one of India's 10 small wild cat species. It is also the most common cat, widely distributed throughout the Indian subcontinent except in the higher reaches of the Himalayas and extreme deserts. Jungle cat. The name can be misleading. The animal is not strongly associated with closed forests, but with scrub, grassland, wetlands, and dense vegetation habitats. The cat's sandy brown, reddish, or grey colored coat gives it a good camouflage in these spaces. With dwindling natural habitats, the jungle cat has adapted more readily than most other small cats to live in cultivated and artificial landscapes.
Our agricultural lands or agro-ecosystems stimulate the habitat of a lot of these species. And then agricultural fields, especially irrigated agriculture, is of immense, I would say, benefit to the jungle cat in terms of they are very closely associated with water. Irrigated agriculture really is the second best for them, maybe, like a surrogate.
रोडेंट्स हैं, रैट्स हैं, माइस हैं, ये सब जो है हेयर्स हैं, ये इनके लिए बहुत ही सूटेबल प्रे का काम करते हैं और किसी एग्रीकल्चर फील्ड में इनका नंबर बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत ज़्यादा हमेशा रहता है। इसलिए कि एग्रीकल्चर में इनके सर्वाइव करने की चांसेस बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़े रहते हैं।
The cat sniffs, listening for rustles under the hay. With the target locked, it positions its body and lunges towards the sound. But it may take a few attempts before making a successful hunt. The solitary jungle cat consumes approximately 1,500 rodents annually, a natural pest manager that provides invaluable services to humans. But in a continually disturbed human-dominated agricultural landscape, the chances of conflict with humans are high.
They do give birth, but we don't know what happens to the kittens because there are so many instances, almost every year. You will hear of forest departments receiving these little kittens that were rescued by farmers or well-meaning people, saying, oh, we were harvesting our crop and we saw these bunch of kittens and we don't know what they are. So you get rusty spotted cat, leopard cat, fishing cat, jungle cat, all these species, the kittens you find in various crop fields across the country, which means that there are a lot of them going unnoticed, probably even dying. Mechanized farming means if you're running a tractor through wheeling, they must be just completely smashing all of them. You don't even know what happens.
किसान अब क्योंकि अपने फसल को बचाना चाहते हैं, इतना नुकसान नहीं पहुंचने देना चाहते, तो उसके लिए अलग अलग मेथड्स इस्तेमाल करते हैं तरह के, जिसके कारण क्या होता है वो रोडेंट्स को कम्प्लीटली इरेडिकेट करने की कोशिश करते हैं। अब उस इरेडिकेशन के पर्पस से क्योंकि उनको अपनी फसल बचानी है, तो वो एक दूसरा काम ये भी करना शुरू कर देते हैं जाने अनजाने कि वो स्मॉल कैट्स को, जंगल कैट को भी एक तरह से नुकसान पहुंचा रहे होते हैं। जब एक जंगल कैट का फूड ही नहीं होगा तो उसके बाद वो अपना काम कैसे, अपना सर्वाइवल कैसे पॉसिबल कर पाएंगे। खासकर एग्रीकल्चर लैंड में फेरल डॉग्स की बहुत आयत है, इनसे उनका पॉपुलेशन बढ़ रहा है और ऐसे में सर्वाइवल है कैट, जो स्मॉल जंगल कैट का, वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा खतरे में है।
A substantial population of small cats, such as the jungle cat, is distributed outside India's sanctuaries and national parks. But we know little about this elusive cat's behavior and ecology in these areas, especially in human-dominated agricultural landscapes.
Large agricultural fields that use heavy pesticides and fertilizers, we really do not know what it does in terms of toxicity or health to the other animals that live over there. Nobody's really studied these. So we really have no clue, but definitely if those pesticides are affecting us, they're surely affecting the cats. You do see lots of roadkills and you get the impression that wow, there are so many cats. But it just could be that the turnover is high. A lot of them are getting killed. We really don't know. We really need to study all this.
As scrub, grasslands and wetlands existing around the cat's farm habitats shrink to make way for more farms, roads and other infrastructure, wildlife experts suggest that the jungle cat needs more attention and research priority.